Before a mission statement for a school library is created, there are two very important factors that should be greatly considered before writing a library mission statement. Number one would be the background information on the school's community, and number two would be the school's mission statement itself. Many schools in the district that our school district is in has seen a steady increase in population over the last 3 years, which is no different than what our school has experienced as well. In order to serve all of our students, more instructional resources are currently being allotted to the library. The after-school tutoring program in the library is what keeps it open 3 days a week for extended library hours until 7 p.m. Besides the teacher librarian, the textbook media clerk is also able to assist students with projects. Stephanie Rogers Bangert's article in a 2006 American Library Association publication states that a mission statement is the most common form of communication to express organizational purpose, vision, and values. This is why you see mission statements not just in places of education, you see them in businesses, you see them in all types of organizations all around the world. The mission statement of our school is that our school will provide a safe, driven, engaged, and collaborative school environment with high academic standards. Students, parents, teachers, administrators, and community members will work collaboratively to ensure our traditions in academic, social, and personal student success are realized. The school mission statement should be examined when writing a library mission statement so that they can be a good complement to one another. The school library will always assist in accomplishing the school's mission by providing an infrastructure that effectively supports the academic mission of our school. Building, preserving, and providing access to collections unique to our school, and developing and implementing strategies that support student success while promoting scholarship and good citizenship through information literacy.